This image looks awesome. The stone here creates a nice foreground, the monkey is cute, but this is how the image was before I did a final perspective fix in Photoshop. My name is Phil, I'm a German-based photographer and I screwed up that shot a little bit. I should have gone a little bit higher with my camera, but I didn't. Okay, that happened, it's done, moving on. But now the stone is far too prominent in the photo and I need to kind of change that. If you ever find yourself having similar smaller perspective issues, let me show you how to fix them in Photoshop. Now first I tried using the usual perspective adjustments in Photoshop, like for example the transform tool. But that would have warped my photo a little bit too much for my taste, especially the monkey's face. So how can we make that stone smaller without affecting the monkey too much and without cropping in even more? Now to fix such perspective or composition mistakes in Photoshop, head to Edit and select the Puppet Warp tool. With that tool, we can basically set pins onto our photos. And wherever we set a pin, that part of the image won't move. The more pins you drop, the more stable the whole thing will become. So let's drop some just below the face, and then drop and drag one at the bottom here to drag that area out. See how the face itself stays where it should be, and we are only dragging the bottom. Perfect. Now, due to the perspective change, we are losing some texture in the stone here, but we can easily get that back by using the original stone. Check it out. Select the original layer, hit the W key to get the quick selection tool, and select that stone. Hit Command or Control and J to duplicate your selection onto a separate layer, and now we have the stone on its own layer. Good. Move the stone layer on top of the one where we just used the Puppet Warp, hit Command or Control and T to transform, and place it down there. You can use the warp mode if needed to have a bit more freedom. Now this texture looks way better than the one below, so let's take it. Now this is only a small difference compared to the normal transform tool, but if you're looking for a bit more control, then the Puppet Warp tool is definitely the way to go. I hope that helps when you run into smaller perspective issues like I did just now, and you will be able to easily fix those in Photoshop. Like the video and hit that subscribe button if you so desire, and I shall see you next time when I screw up a shot and try to fix it.